Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Naina and today I am going to share an amazing DIY combo kit from Indus Valley Bio Organic. Now that winter is here and it's time to get a winter ready skin, so let's get into the video. So the Indus Valley Bio Organic DIY kit comes in a package like this. It has 26 different combo packs like for face or hair etc, which are easily available. You can choose any combo pack of your choice according to your requirements, and the price of this product is just 549 rupees. You will get 6 different products inside this box and you can also use it in a multiple ways. All the products of Indus Valley are 100% organic and it is suitable for all skin and hair types. All the herbs and salts are certified, and the most amazing part is you can use it according to your convenience. Now I will show you what is inside the box. There are 6 other different products with a recipe book inside it. It has all the recipes of 26 combo kits, like how to use or how much quantity you can take. First product is cold pressed sweet almond oil. You can use it on your skin, hair and scalp. Next product is Himalayan salt, and then aloe vera gel, and this cute tiny lavender essential oil which will relax your mind, Epsom salt, and extra virgin olive massage oil. So regular use of this oil will strengthen your bones and muscles too. Now let's see how to apply all these products.
So to make a pack, add 1 spoon of Himalayan salt, 1 spoon Epsom salt, 1 spoon olive oil, 1 spoon almond oil, 5 to 6 drops of lavender essential oil. Now mix everything together and this is how it will look. Now apply the pack evenly on your body and rub gently for a few minutes and later wash off with water. My skin feels softer already. Also discard the leftover mixture after the use. After that, apply aloe vera gel for skin radiance. The gel is very light. You can also apply this on your face, scalp and hair. Now take a dab of the gel and apply. The fragrance of the aloe vera gel is very pleasant and fresh. It doesn't feel greasy at all. It's amazing like how it's easily spreadable on the skin. Finally, this is how my skin looks.
So guys, see how easy it was. It will add shine and glow to your skin, and also it will make it hydrated and moisturized. So you can definitely try this. In case if you want to purchase it, I have shared a link in the description box, so you can directly purchase it from the website. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Hope you all like this video. Bye bye, take care.